Excited?
See how good that elf thought you were. You excited?
You excited about getting to open your first present? A day before Christmas?
2 days.
2 days before Christmas. All right.
What do you think?
You like that? Oh, you already have one of those.
It's no sparkle. See?
All right, Blake, you get to go next.
Okay. That is mine.
No, it's not.
Look, it has Blake's name on it.
You don't like what you got?
Addison, you don't like what you got?
Oh, it's so freaking rude.
What'd you get, Blake? What'd you get?
Rude.
What'd you get?
Food. We're not real presents.
That is real.
That's the one you get to open tonight.
Yes. Carrots and lettuce.
Make sure you get the name of the refrigerator.
Hey, Addison, what do you think about that?
No.
What about it? Was it nice?
No.
Well, you know, sometimes that's all Mom and Dad can afford is things around the house.
I don't like it.
You don't like mandarin oranges?
I thought you liked baby oranges.
Or puppy oranges?
You like that puppy?
You like that puppy? Blake? Not oranges, there's a little bit of macaroni and cheese in there too. You don't want it?
Why? Are you mad? Huh? You didn't think that was very funny? You got all excited about opening a present and it wasn't a real present? I thought it was good. Some people don't even have, can't even afford Oreo cookies, so that's kind of a gift.